If Discord is throwing error 500, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to troubleshoot it step by step. This error can happen for a few different reasons, including a temporary Discord outage, a corrupted cache, or a problem with the desktop app itself. The good news is that you can usually fix it without needing any advanced technical skills. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, check whether Discord is actually having a service issue. Open your browser and go to the official Discord status page. This page shows real-time incident reports, so if Discord servers are down or partially disrupted, that could be the reason you're seeing error 500. If there's an outage, the best thing to do is wait until Discord resolves it. If everything looks normal on the status page, then the issue is probably on your device. The next step is to clear your Discord cache. This is one of the most effective fixes for app errors because cached files can become corrupted over time. To do this properly, first close Discord completely. Make sure it's not just minimized. You want the app fully shut down. Then press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %appdata, %\discord, and press Enter. This will open Discord's local data folder. Inside that folder, look for Cache, Code Cache, GPU Cacheac, and Local Storage. Delete all of those folders. Don't worry, this will not delete your Discord account or your messages. It only removes temporary files that may be causing the error. After deleting those folders, restart Discord and sign in again. In many cases, that alone will clear the problem. If you still get error 500 after clearing the cache, the next thing to test is the web version of Discord. Open your browser and log in to the Discord web app. If Discord works normally in the browser, but not in the desktop app, that usually means the desktop installation is the issue, not your account. In that case, the best fix is to uninstall Discord and perform a clean reinstall. Remove the desktop app from your computer, then download the latest version from the official Discord website and install it again. A fresh install can replace damaged files and reset anything that might be broken in the app. So to recap, the main steps are check for outages on the Discord status page, clear the Discord cache, test the web app, and if needed, reinstall the desktop version. Following these steps will solve most Discord error 500 issues quickly and safely. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Discord troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.